Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2012 Toyota Hilux, stock number 5990. This ran from 08 2011 to 08 2015. Has a 1kd 3 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is the 1kd 3 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Front bonnet no dents. Left front aftermarket 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left rear aftermarket 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear aftermarket 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front guard with snorkel. Right front aftermarket 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front door 2 dents. Right front mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Manual gear sticks. Heated AC controls. Aftermarket touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.